What if your savings could earn you not just cash, but even airline miles, all while enjoying some of the highest interest rates in the market? That's exactly what Bask Bank offers with its unique high-yield savings accounts. But is it the right choice for your financial goals, or are there hidden drawbacks you should know about? Today, we're breaking down the pros and cons of Bask Bank's high-yield savings accounts so you can decide if it's worth your time and money. Let's start with some background. Bask Bank is an online-only division of Texas Capital Bank, and it specializes in high-yield savings products. Its offerings include two standout options: the Bask Interest Savings Account, which earns a competitive APY, and the Bask Mileage Savings Account, which lets you earn American Airlines AAdvantage miles instead of traditional interest. But as with any financial product, there are benefits and limitations to consider. Pros of Bask Bank High-Yield Savings. Competitive interest rates. One of the biggest draws of Bask Bank is its highly competitive APY. As of now, the Bask Interest Savings Account offers an APY of 5%, which is significantly higher than the national average for savings accounts. This means your money grows faster over time compared to traditional banks. Unique mileage savings option. Bask Bank offers a mileage savings account that earns you 2 American Airlines AAdvantage miles for every dollar saved annually. For frequent travelers, this is a game changer. Instead of earning cash interest, you can rack up miles to use for flights, upgrades, or other travel perks. No monthly fees. Both savings accounts at Bask Bank come with no monthly maintenance fees. This ensures that every dollar you save stays in your account and works toward your financial goals. No minimum balance requirements. You can open either account with as little as $0 and still earn interest or miles on your balance. This makes Bask Bank accessible to savers at all levels. FDIC insurance. Like most reputable banks, Bask Bank is FDIC insured. Your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor, or $500,000 for joint accounts, providing peace of mind that your money is safe. Straightforward online banking. As an online-only bank, Bask Bank offers a streamlined digital experience through its website and mobile app. You can easily check balances, transfer funds, and manage your account from anywhere. No limits on earning potential. Whether you're earning cash interest or airline miles, there's no cap on how much you can earn with either account type. This makes it ideal for big savers who want to maximize their returns. Great for travel enthusiasts. If you're someone who frequently flies with American Airlines or has travel goals in mind, the Mileage Savings Account is a unique way to turn your savings into tangible rewards like free flights or upgrades. Cons of Bask Bank High-Yield Savings. No ATM or debit card access. Unlike some other high-yield savings accounts, Bask Bank does not offer an ATM or debit card for direct access to your funds. To withdraw money, you'll need to transfer it to an external bank account first, a process that can take a few days. No physical branches. As an online-only bank, Bask Bank doesn't have any physical branches where you can handle transactions in person. If you prefer face-to-face interactions for banking needs, this could be a drawback. Mileage earnings are taxable. If you choose the Mileage Savings Account, keep in mind that the airline miles you earn are considered taxable income by the IRS. The value of these miles will be reported to you at the end of a year, which could impact your tax return. Limited product offerings. Bask Bank focuses exclusively on savings accounts and CDs, certificates of deposit. It does not offer checking accounts, loans, or other financial products under its platform. This means you'll need another bank for everyday transactions or more comprehensive financial services. No cash deposit option. Since Bask Bank operates entirely online, there's no way to deposit cash directly into your account. You'll need to fund your account through electronic transfers or mailed checks. Transfer delays. Moving money between Bask Bank and external accounts can take several business days, depending on processing times. This delay might not be ideal if you need quick access to your funds in an emergency. Withdrawal limits. Like most savings accounts, Bask Bank enforces federal regulations that limit certain types of withdrawals to 6 per month. Exceeding this limit could result in penalties or even account closure. Mileage rewards may not be ideal for everyone. While the mileage savings account is great for frequent travelers, it may not appeal to those who don't fly often or prefer cash interest over airline miles. CD term limitations. If you're interested in certificates of deposit CDs, Bask Bank only offers for term lengths ranging from 6 months to 2 years. Other banks may provide more flexibility with longer-term options. Who is Bask Bank high-yield savings best for? Bask Bank's high-yield savings accounts are best suited for individuals looking for competitive interest rates without monthly fees. Bask Bank stands out in the crowded world of online banking by offering unique savings options tailored to different needs, whether you're focused on earning top-tier interest rates or racking up airline miles for future travel adventures. Its fee-free structure and lack of minimum balance requirements make it accessible and appealing for many savers. That said, its limitations, such as no ATM access and taxable mileage rewards, mean it won't suit everyone's needs perfectly. So now that we've laid out both sides, is Bask Bank's high-yield savings account right for you? Let us know what you think in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, star.